trouble starting, engine misfire, excessive fuel consumption. These are signs it may be time to replace your fuel injectors in your Cummins ISX. Avoid any further impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get your ISX diesel engine running with a quality fuel injector from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. With this fuel injector for the Cummins ISX. Each injector is fully disassembled and thoroughly inspected to meet OEM specs and tolerances. All surfaces are lapped for proper sealing, nozzles are rebuilt and reground to ensure sealing and atomization. Nozzle valve opening pressure is set to OE specifications, new O-rings installed, control valves are rebuilt and dimensioned back to OE specifications. All components are reassembled and calibrated on a computer-controlled test bench to measure flow, internal pressure, and timing. What do you get in return? Increased power, decreased emissions, and improved efficiency. You don't have to sacrifice quality with Highway and Heavy Parts. Get a premium injector you can count on from the fuel system specialists. Backed by a 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. From purchase to installation, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.